of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am on my way to go pick up the boys. Gotta go pick Hunter up from school, and then I gotta go and pick Carter up from daycare. And then I gotta go back and cook dinner. We're doing a HelloFresh meal, and also we're preparing because there's supposed to be an ice storm or a snowstorm that's supposed to hit tomorrow. So Freddie went to get some groceries in order to stock up, and also some gas for the generator, just in case we have a situation like we had last year, where we had like rolling blackouts here in Texas. We were lucky to where we were a part of the whole rolling blackout thing, because not everybody in Texas was a part of that, where, you know, we had electricity for an hour and then electricity went out for an hour. And it was good because we had a fresh newborn baby that was less than a month old that we were trying to make sure was okay. So we're gonna get prepared for that. So catch up with you guys later. Ooh, it's getting cold outside. How was school? All right, so I just picked Hunter up from school, and guess what? There is no school tomorrow due to the fact that there's supposed to be a winter storm tomorrow and the next day. So I'm sure I'm still going to have to work because I work remotely. I work from home. They still expect me to clock in. So how am I going to manage him being at home while I'm trying to work? I gotta make phone calls and stuff like that. So like, they like being in the background screaming and hollering. Just be rude. That's why they're in school. Other than the educational reason. But now I'm on my way to get Carter, and y'all, it's cold outside. It's starting to rain, and it's supposed to freeze up tonight. This is not my type of weather. Alright, see if I have any mail. I already paid it. So, nothing but a bill. Hey guys, so it is another day. So the past couple days, well, let's see. Today is Saturday, and there was a snowstorm 2 days ago. Well, they say it was a storm, but you know, here in Texas, the littlest amount of snow equals a storm. But luckily this year they did not do that whole rolling blackout things where you have electricity for an hour, then you don't have electricity for an hour, then I'm glad they worked it out this year. Just left Walmart. I'm about to film a laundry day routine, and so therefore I needed some laundry cleaning products because I'm all out with the last load that I washed last week was a booger. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and check out that video as well. I was washing for days. It was a 3-day process. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you go check that video out. I'm going to go ahead and link it up above, so you can go ahead and click on it. I'm starving right now, so I have a taste for some tacos. There's this gas station down the street from my house that has like a taco stand on the inside of it. Has like a little restaurant, and they have the best tacos in there. So I'm gonna go and get that. So when I get home, I want to organize my my utensils, my forks and my knives and my spoons, because I do have a new organizer. So I want to go ahead and clean out that drawer and what have you. So
through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been alright for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling.
see what we got here. Here are my tacos. Those, I have 2 lengua and 2 trompos. They give you a blistered peppers and grilled onions. This sauce is usually, it's good, but it'd be too spicy for you. Some grilled onions and limes. Gotta get the limes to set the whole thing off. That's it.
Tuning in to another episode of donyb TV. On your way out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your day.